Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl The Real Shy, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you guys the first impressions, well, my first impressions of the Crayon case. So I bought a couple of products and I'm just going to give you guys the rundown of what all I bought. For starters, I bought this cute little compact mirror. And then you hold it like this and you can do your makeup in it. And it has this cute diamond on the back of it as well. I love this so much. It's so me. It comes in this cute little pink case and also this black pouch. Next, I bought two of the Hall Pass collection lip glosses in the shade Clean Kisses and Private Party, and I have on Private Party right now. And then for liquid lipsticks, I bought the shade Marie and Pablo, which is this cute yellow shade. Isn't this so cute, y'all? Like, this video is so nice. I did not even think of that. And then this is Marie. Next, I bought the Chalk Dust setting powder in the letter C. And this is how it looks. And then I also bought the Crayon case unroll highlighter. Y'all, I've been dying to get this highlighter. Dying. Like, y'all do not know. Like, I wanted this highlighter so bad and I got it. Like, and the packaging is so cute. The packaging itself is so cute. Look at that highlighter. Y'all can't tell me. And then lastly, of course, I had to get the Box of Crayon eyeshadow palette. And this is the back. And then this is how it looks. It's like the size of my head, y'all, like for real. And once you open it, you see all these beautiful colors. Oh my god. Yes, so those are the products that I bought from the Crayon case and that I will be showing you guys in this first impressions video today. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Before getting started, I'm going to set my under eyes because I did apply foundation and concealer already. And this will just catch any fallout from the eyeshadow. So for the first shadow, I'm going to be taking the color pink and applying that right into my crease. And I'm going to be taking the pink just a tad bit higher because after I cut my crease, I still want to see that pink. So as you can see, I was trying to apply the color lime green and it just wasn't as pigmented as I hoped. So instead, I went in with the yellow and then I applied the lime green on top. This wasn't what I had in mind, but overall it came out pretty and I liked it, so that's all that matters. I used to get very discouraged and irritated when an eye look didn't come out how I visioned it, but now I try not to get so worked up about it. As you can see, the pink kind of got lost, but that's okay because we're gonna bring it back. Now I'm just going to cut my crease. Y'all already know I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Medium Honey with the Morphe M421 brush. Now I'm going to blend out those edges of my cut crease with those same colors. Next, I'm going to take the Morphe M167 brush and apply that color Silver. Now that I've finished applying the shadows, I'm going to wipe off the setting powder with my Morphe M41 powder brush. Now I'm going to be taking this Glitter by Flutter by Row and I'm going to apply this on top of the color Silver. Now I'm going to be taking the NYX matte liner. Now I'm going to take my Bobbi Brown eyeliner and I'm going to put it in my waterline. Just gonna smoke it out. And I'm starting off with the color pink. I'm looking crazy, y'all. Why y'all ain't telling me? That's crazy. I'm taking that yellow and applying it right under the pink. And then lastly, I'm going to take that lime green and apply it on top of the yellow. Cheyenne, why you feeling yourself, girl? I spritz my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. That's what I use, because y'all know. I might as well just put y'all on, like, Cheyenne, why your face be so smooth and always fresh? Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Period. That right. So now I'm going to be using the Crayon Case Honor Roll Highlighter. Is that what it's called? Yeah. I'm going to be taking the Crayon Case Honor Roll Highlighter. This packaging is so pretty. Like, Super did her thing with this packaging. Like, no shade. Oh, jump. Wait. Okay. This is hard. This is really hard to come out the box. Dang. Oh my gosh, y'all. Look at this highlighter. Like, what? Do y'all see that? Y'all. Ooh. This is gonna be so pretty on my face. Stop playing, girl. Drench my face. Wait, y'all. Here it goes. Okay, so little something. Finna do it again. Okay, let's go. One more time. Oh, there she go. There she go. Stop playing. Y'all can y'all see that? Can y'all see that? Like a soft highlight. But when you go in that second time, like, what? Who is she? I'm going to add just a little blush, and this blush is by ColourPop, Between the Sheets. I'm just going to add a little bit Y'all, I cannot get over this highlight. Like, what, you guys? This highlight, that just looks so glazed. For lining the lips, I'm going to be taking the NYX pencil, and this is in the shade Espresso. So these are the two lip glosses, and this one is Private Party and this one is Clean Kisses. And I don't know which one I want to use to go with this look. That's pretty. I think I'm feeling the pink. I'm going to take ABH liquid lipstick in the shade Milkshake, and I'm just going to apply a little bit, and then I'm going to apply Private Party all over.